Geological exploration PDC core drill bit composite broken rock advantages. The rock breaking principle of the diamond bit is the same as that of cemented carbide drilling. This is because when the hard alloy is initially drilled, the edge part is very sharp and the efficiency is very high. However, because the hard alloy is not wear resistant, the edge part is quickly ground flat or the force is uneven and the edge collapses. At this time, the hard alloy is not shearing rock, but crushing rock. At this time, it is often due to insufficient WAB. The efficiency also drops rapidly and the service life of the drill bit is very low. However, because the wear resistance of diamond at the edge is much higher than that of hard alloy, the diamond drill bit is very slow in drilling and wear in the formation, and can always take rock in the form of shear, with little change in efficiency and long service life. PDC coal mining PCD impregnated diamond exploration drill bit. We are specialized in a series of drill tools: PDC core drill bits, PDC drill bits, diamond drill bits, PDC, etc. We can also produce other products according to the customer's requirements. PCD bits are cost-effective for drilling in soft to medium sedimentary formations which are homogeneous and competent. PCD cutters are available in several. Name NQ PDC core bit. PDC core drill bit for drilling size 28 mm 300 mm. Application: geological exploration, coalfield mining, water well drilling and water conservancy, and hydropower, etc. Applicable: strata soft and medium hard rocks, like sandstone, shale, limestone, conglomerate, marble, etc. F is less than or equal to 12. Features: about 10 times useful life than carbide drill bit, about 4 times useful life than diamond drill bit. To keep the drill moving through the rock smoothly, the drill must be well lubricated with water in order to prevent overheating or sticking. For optimum core extraction, the driller must listen to the drill to evaluate subsurface conditions. To ensure that drilling remains efficient, the rotation speed, pressure, and water circulation must be strictly monitored. Sometimes when drilling in highly fractured zones, overheating can occur due to a stuck bit. This issue is usually counteracted by the injection of mud or sawdust to plug fractures in the rock. Reverse circulation (RC) drilling, theory and applications. Diamond core finds its primary function in the exploration mining sector. It is usually one of the last stages of exploration, during which the ore body is delineated in 3 dimensions. This will determine whether the prospect is economically viable. Using a diamond drill rig, long vertical sections of the core can be extracted from deep in the ground, which can then be analyzed at the surface by geologists. The core can then be analyzed using a wide range of petrologic, structural, and mineralogical techniques to determine whether the potential mining site is economically viable. Extracted core is first washed and macroscopic features are logged by an exploration geologist. The core is then cut and representative samples are sent for chemical analysis.